What's going on, guys? Assault here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the select tag. So what select tag does is, if you want to create a drop down list, it will help you to create one. Just it is used for that specific reason only. So first we need to do is create a select by typing select, and then what you need to do, remove this class and name. We do not need those things. And after that we will first begin with the option and the value. Put some values. So I'm gonna use the cars like Volvo, Swedish cars, Volvo, then something like, and I'm teaching you another thing which will be important. You can use the option in 5 and press tab. You will get 5 or 6. So we need only 2 more. We do not need. I remove those. I just teaching you how to do that. So yeah, so Saab, another Swedish car company. Then another is Audi, German car company. So here, and the last will be BMW, another German car company. So BMW. When you're done with that, you can see the drop down menu. You can add some Japanese company if you want, like Toyota, not OTP, man, options. Yeah, options. Like here we're gonna use Toyota. If you are thinking about Toyota Corolla, please don't. That's awesome, meme. So I hope you guys understand. This is the way you can create some drop down menu and select one at a time. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.